Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia area. We do destination weddings, milestone celebrations, pretty much anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. I am a master certified wedding planner and a certified florist. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. I have done from small weddings to large weddings, small events, birthdays, baby shower, bridal showers. I have a lot of events, corporate events. We also do home staging and just staging in general. So if you have an office space or you need some interior home design in your home, office, anything you think about, we do it all. So if you're joining us for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All the information you need to know about is in the description. You can also sign up for a free 30-minute consultation where you can learn more about our wedding planning services and everything you need to know. So today, I had another topic in mind I was going to talk about, but just before I got started, there's something I really feel like I wanted to touch base. As I said, during this journey, I'm gonna share the good, the bad, the ugly, any information that I think that can help you guys in any way. So today is just talking to everyone in general. It's not relating to an event and not really anything, but just life in general. And I want to talk about what it means to invest in yourself. Um, I see, I see this a lot. Um, Sometimes looking online, I'm hearing, especially, and please people, nobody should attack me because I know all the beehives and all the people out there be like, oh my God, no, she did it. I'm just gonna say this. I've seen a lot of people spending $1,000, 2,000, 3,000 plus to go to concert. It's not only Beyonce concert, so it's not even that. There's a lot of concerts and even a lot of things. There's people who spend splurge on a lot of expensive stuff. There's people who rent apartments that's out of the budget. There are people who try to do a lot of things to invest, just impress other people in general. So my thing is that if you have an idea, what is a business, what is to further up your education, anything that you need, you feel that can better yourself, invest it in yourself. There's nothing wrong with buying luxury stuff. There's nothing wrong with going to an expensive concert. There's nothing wrong with living in high-end condos. You can do those things when you have reserve. And what I mean by that, I see a lot of people living for the Joneses. They're trying to impress a lot of things. They're trying to show the world that, oh, I got it and do it. But you're working not even paycheck to paycheck because pretty much before your paycheck comes in, you're gone. Invest in yourself. When you invest in yourself, whether it's your education, whether it's your business, whether it's your finance, whether it's your stock option, whatever it is that you feel that can get you to your next level, invest in that. Because with that, then you can be able to afford all the thing. You're buying $300 Yeezys and buying $1,000 Louis Vuittons and red bottoms and multiple everything. You're buying all of that just to show that I got it. But you don't have a dime in your savings account. You don't have, if anything emergency happens, you're stuck. A lot of people, if COVID taught us anything, is that nothing is certain. If we already didn't know that, I think it was a wake up call for me and especially everybody in general, is that, a lot of people lost their jobs. A lot of people thought it was secure when their things happen. A lot of businesses who've been in business for many, many, many years had to shut down because some of them were just barely getting by. And when things happen, it just got stuck. Especially we that in the event planning industry, I would tell you it's hard. Our business is based on people being outdoors. So when we were shut down, there's nothing we can do. So imagine that with all of that, you still have bills, you still have staff that you have to pay, you still have expensive, you still have to survive. And those who are just primary themselves, you tap into your savings, you tap into money, eventually you get stuck. And that's that. So when I mean invest in yourself that no matter what, you will be okay. Not everybody's supposed to go to college. Not everybody's going to do trade. Every one of us has something in us creative. There's some people who can paint, there's some people who can draw, there's some people who can sing, there's some people who can write. If you want to be a singer, be the best singer you can be. Don't just let, oh, you know what, I'm talented. Invest in your talent. Take vocal lessons. Take things to market yourself better. Whatever you call for, you know what, I'm going to take some headshot photos. I'm going to go make me some flyers. I'm going to do a lot of demos to present to people. Invest. That's what I mean. Invest in yourself. Do whatever it is. If you want to be a rapper, do things to get you to where you will be noticed. Invest in yourself. Invest in your craft. Don't, yes, our skills is good, but do not want to depend on your skills and your merits. Like for me, I've been playing for years. I know a lot of stuff, but there's still a lot of things that I don't know. There are people who have more years in this business than I. I don't feel like I'm too big. Oh, I know everything, so I can do it. No. Any opportunity that I get to better myself, any opportunity that I have to make sure that I get to, because I'm not gonna stop until I get to where I need to be. Yes, I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I'm happy. But I'm pushing myself to get to that level. Instead of being jealous or envious of other people, push yourself to get there and be better than them. Like a lot of times, sometimes when you go out as event planners, you see people who will say, oh, I'm a planner, or I do that too, I do that too. Okay, that's good for you. I'm glad that you do that. But instead of trying to critique somebody, invest in your craft. That you would be more than you need to be. And I would say this one thing. There will be strangers who will contribute to your business and your success before your own family and friends. And I'm being honest with you. I've been doing this for a while. I can count on count on one finger. How many close friends, I mean really close friends and family that I planned for. It's not that I don't want to. Well, most of the time when I have an event, I'd rather go to somebody else than that. But that don't bother me at all. Because I'm not targeting my family and friends. Because most of the time when you're doing something, family and friends always want you to be cheaper. They always think because your family, you're going to do this. Oh, you can do it for free. Oh, you can help us out. I'm not in the business for free. If I want to do pro bono work, which I do constantly, I do. But it's because I chose to, not because you asked me to. So what I mean is that invest in your craft. Constantly learn. Keep reading. Keep writing. Keep listening. Constantly look at YouTube, research. If you want to research information, you know how this go. Watch things, do things, listen to the people who have these experiences. Don't take it as, oh, I know it all. Even if you do know it all, there's something you can learn from a 5-year-old that you won't get. There might be somebody who have your breakthrough and you might overlook them. A homeless person can tell you something that would change your whole perspective on life. It don't all have to be anybody famous or everybody else. Like, everybody want to be the next LeBron. I don't want to be the next LeBron. I want to be somebody better than LeBron. LeBron didn't shoot up to be Michael Jackson. He shoot up to be Michael Jordan. He would just want to be the best that he could be. As I know, I watched the Michael Jordan documentary a while ago. And he showed through his craft how great he wanted to be, why his friends was partying, why his friends was doing. He was in the gym constantly working. He was investing in his talent. That's why he's a household name. That's why you cannot say the word basketball without mentioning his name. People might say, oh, well, he was evil. He wasn't a team player. He didn't do this. He was a team player. He invested his energy to be great. He even pushed his friends to be great. You can be mad at him for the choices that you make. You can be mad at others for the choices that you make. You and somebody can work for the same company, they will make more money. And I hate when people say that, oh, there's this, I've been here for 10 years and this person just coming in and they're making more money than me. Yes, it's possible because you know why? That person marketed themselves better and it showcased their talent better. Doesn't mean because you've been somewhere longer so that means you automatically deserve it. We will be in a job and people will not do anything to motivate themselves. They'll not do anything to learn more. They will be stuck on that way. They won't market themselves better. Somebody else will come and just take that spot. But then you will get upset. You can't get upset with people if you did not show the necessary skill that you need to. So the sum of this video is that no matter what you chose to do in life, invest in yourself. Invest in your talent, invest in your skills, invest in your business, invest in so much that you will reach that much level. Keep learning, keep growing, keep steady. Do whatever it is that you need to do to reach your goal. Don't depend on anybody else. Don't depend on what that person. Learn from people who been there, who did it, and have the information and the tools to get you to where you need to do. And it's not cheap. Reaching the next level is never cheap. You have to spend money to make money. Honestly, let's just be real. Sometimes it will cost you a lot, but that knowledge you're going to learn from that cost is worth a lifetime. And honestly, I'm saying it. There's the amount of money that I spent to further myself, to further my business. I cannot get that from a YouTube channel. I cannot get that from just researching. I pay for the knowledge that I have to be able to be the best that I am. But once again, thank you for watching. It was just a little pep talk to encourage everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. And thank you. Have an amazing day.